Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do the output fields inside your custom code. Let's say, for instance, you are doing the sync, and then you want to get a kind of like a feedback or a notification that your sync has been like an action has been done from your sync. So the way that you're gonna do it, let's say, for instance, you have this information here. So you have the record, and then there's the Portal B ID. So let's say, for instance, we have two systems, Portal A and then Portal B. So now, after this has been created, and then pull the Portal B ID, as you can see, yeah. So to put the ID, let's see if we have three here. Doesn't have, yeah. So in that fashion, so let's say, for instance, we have a imagine we have a four here because I did delete it. So we have exam four, and that exam 4 has a record of 29, so which means that his record is going to be somewhere here in this table there. So now the idea is that you want to be able to pull the ID and then to show it in your notification once your workflow has been run. So now the way that you're going to do it, let me just remove this one here. So you're gonna need callback function. So it's just important to always have your callback here in your main function workflow. So you have it there, callback, and then you can add your callback in like in any response. So as you can see here, we have a callback there, you have a callback here for errors, and then we have the callback here for whatever a successful action has been happening. So now we're gonna have our stuff. We can call it later, for instance, portal. We're gonna call it portal B. So portal B ID, and then you have a record here. So let's say uh, if a record has been created or maybe updated, so you're gonna get a, let's think of it like in the creation one has been created, and then you're gonna get ID there. So yeah, so ID, so you pull that information, so you have the ID there, and then so to get a notification that your stuff has been created nicely, you're gonna have to create a what a to add the output. So the way that you add it here, you have different kind of outputs. We have date, phone number, boolean, string, number. So our ID is just a string, so we have it here there. So you can add more, a lot of data type there. So now, right, we click save. So then you're gonna add the response. So so now the communication, you go to your, so here it can be both way, either it can be the internal communication or it can be the communication that can go to the client. It depend on which value is needed. Let's say we have notification, integration notification, record has been created, record has been created, ID has been created. So we're gonna have a record ID has been created. So let's edit the bottom, record ID. So here we're gonna put our ID there. It's been created. So we go here, you go to action, and then portal B ID is where you can put your information. So this is the way that you pull it. You're gonna pull the data. So by going by action and then click action is gonna give you the list of your output field there. and then you can just save and then do your test. So the step is just simple. The step is just callback output field. That is number one. So we have three step callback output field. So we have number one. So number one is callback output field. So you define it there. So once you define your parameters, and then after that you're gonna have to add it here. So that's step three, and then yeah. So step one, step two, and then step three is to come there. You pull whatever you're gonna pull. It can be anything, but the only place you're gonna get it is by clicking whatever field that is gonna be presented to you. It can be a body, text, can be whatever field is gonna be presented to you. So the moment you just click on that things, whatever input there, Hubspot is giving you this, then you go to the object, you click the object. At the bottom of the object you have actions outputs, is where you're going to see your stuff, and then you just click here and then it's going to appear, then you can use it wherever you want it to be used. All right, thank you so much. This is the way that you use the output field. If you like this video, click a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more tutorials like that. Thank you.